Hey everybody, it's Julianne at Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Friday, January 28th. We are very, very lucky to have this shop sample of third weekend in October here with us for about a week and a half. Our Free Spirit representative Liz brought it for us to show off. We are currently taking pre-orders for this amazing kit using it uses Kaffe shot cottons, Kaffe Fassett Fabrics, and it is just stunning. It's as beautiful far away as it is close up. It's a king size quilt. I think it finishes at 85 by 110. And like I said, we are expecting the kits to arrive in June. Everything is kind of delayed in our world right now, so it may be a little later, but it'll be a perfect finish for autumn. So this gorgeous quilt, again, is called Third Weekend in October, and it will be available as pre-order. It is already available as pre-order on our website, and we can't wait to make it ourselves. So we've ordered 20 kits, and we hope that you are interested in grabbing one of them. That detail is so fun. It's a combination of standard piece and paper piece. So you'll see these the little stems, those are going to be paper pieced, and then some of these pointier points are also going to be paper piece. But in general, it's a lot of half square triangles and a lot of full 2.5 inch squares. So not impossible, just really, really fun. I love everything about this quilt. Next up over here, we have today's Fat Quarter Friday bundle. Look at the beautiful colors in this bundle. So this, I guess, is our main piece. And then look at, oh, that is so fun. Look at all the fun prints that were chosen to go with it. So if Plum and Turquoise are singing to you this weekend, this would be a really fun set to grab. Maybe create one of those more simple Villa Rosa design quilts that use fat quarters, or one of the fat quarter bags. Just a fun, kind of mature yet whimsical group. Next up, we have 4 new quilt backs from Tim Holtz for Free Spirit. This one is called Street Maps. And we looked and we don't think it's an actual town, but the maps are pretty fun. So this just adds a little more interest to your quilt backs. As you probably know, historically, quilt backs were generally pretty calm, usually just a muslin. And so adding some fun to your quilt backs is just a neat way to make it more interesting. This reminds me of Feet Sacks. It definitely has a reproduction feel to it. And I like those kind of purposeful stains or darker pieces on that. This one is a world map, and I think it's kind of tiled. I don't think you're going to get everything exactly where it belongs, but still an interesting piece. Would be great for a gender neutral quilt back. And then this last one over here, you know I'm going to love because I love writing on fabric. It's called Dictionary. So lots of fun things to read and spend your time looking at when the quilt is flipped over, because you know quilts are never always right side up. So making the back interesting is a fun thing to do. I think that's all I have for today. Again, we have the chance for some winter weather tomorrow, so feel free to call the shop or go on our website. It'll be right there on the top page, just under the pictures, if we do decide to close tomorrow, but I sure don't want to close tomorrow. And thank you so much for all the support you've shown us during our 9th anniversary sale. The sale continues through Monday the 31st, so if you haven't had a chance to come see us, make some plans for this weekend or for Monday. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. Find some time to sew, take some time for yourself, and we'll see you back here from the shop on Monday. Bye.